Today I'm going to be reviewing your Zotten's Travel Coffee Tumbler 20-ounce leak-proof coffee mug. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Not only do you get this lid, which of course gives you the sip and the straw, if you want to put a straw in there, they give you another lid just like this, just a slip lid. So you've got two options there. You also got a bottle cleaner. They do give you this rubber bottom for the bottom of the mug that you just put on after the fact if you want that. Leak proof. I don't know. Let's check it out and find out if it's leak proof. We're doing this live. Here we go. I don't want to get stuff spilled on me. I really don't. Because this is going to be a mess if I do. All right. It definitely is on there tight. It's sealed. Is this leak proof? Oh, it's leak proof. All right. So you don't think I'm faking? I'm not going to go away from this shot here. This is on there tight. Okay, hold on. I got to get this off here. Of course, that's going to get me wet. We still have water in there, as you can see. We're going to put this top on. All right. We're going to plug the little straw hole. We're going to make sure this comes up here. We're going to make sure that's in there tight. Are we waterproof? Oh, thank God. So there you go. Vacuum insulated tumbler. I'm already so happy with this. This does insanely well on Amazon, gets 4.7 stars, over 370 reviews. Amazon choice in last month of just this color, 400 plus of these were sold. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.